Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading for you. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer XRP from the Etoro platform to the Etoro wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP on Etoro and want to move it to your dedicated wallet for better security or easier management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Crypto moves can be irreversible. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Etoro account on a secure device. Head over to your portfolio section, where you'll see all your assets listed. Locate your XRP holdings. It should be right there under your cryptocurrencies. Once you've found it, click on the Transfer or Withdraw option. Etoro's interface is pretty user-friendly, so look for icons that look like arrows or wallets. Next, select your Etoro wallet as the destination. You'll need to enter the wallet address if it's not auto-filled, but since we're dealing with Etoro's own wallet, it should link up seamlessly. Double-check the amount you're transferring. Start small if you're new to this to test the waters. Hit the Confirm button and verify any two-factor authentication codes that pop up. Security is key in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Etoro wallet app or dashboard to track the progress. Once it's done, you'll see your XRP balance update. Time to celebrate a successful move. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always stay updated with Etoro's policies, as things can change with regulations or platform updates. If you run into any issues, reach out to Etoro's support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Let's keep building that digital future together. See you in the next video.